Hello guys, it is from Auto Assist. I'm gonna show you how to fast puncture on a tire. You see there is nasty screws on here. I'm gonna show you how to take it out. I already done it, but just show you redo it. That's this here, that's the screw. This is a nasty screw. Yeah. What you need one of the tool like this. Just go through that area. Make sure all smooth and clean the area. When it's all done, you need the puncture cream, and also this is a fast puncture. You need one of this tool, and you put the puncture through there. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, I've done it. Yeah, make sure come in the center. With the cream, you have to rub some cream on the. I have rubbed some cream. Then what you do, that's the area. You make sure you just push it. You make sure push it all right in, and you pull this fast. You come off, and you're all done.